Your kidneys are the unsung heroes of your body, acting as your internal filtration system. But when they begin to struggle, toxins can build up, leading to some serious health problems. The alarming truth? More than 37 million Americans are living with kidney disease, yet 90% don't even realize it. Early kidney issues often masquerade as something else. So many people don't know until it's too late. As the saying goes, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So today we're going to dive into 10 early signs your kidneys need help, and 9 proactive steps you can take to keep them healthy for years to come. Before we jump in, know that all the information here is carefully researched, unbiased, and reviewed by medical experts. Let's get started. 1. Fatigue. More than just tiredness, fatigue is often the first warning sign. When kidneys aren't functioning at their best, toxins build up in your bloodstream, leaving you feeling exhausted, weak, dizzy, or mentally foggy. But that's not all. Healthy kidneys also produce a hormone called erythropoietin, which helps create red blood cells. When your kidneys fail to produce enough of this hormone, your body can become anemic, which can make you feel even more drained. So, if you're constantly tired, it could be more than just lack of sleep. It could be your kidneys. 2. Chills, even in a warm room. Have you ever found yourself feeling cold, even when others around you are comfortable? It's not just the weather. This could be a sign that your kidneys are struggling. Kidney disease can lead to anemia, and when this happens, you may feel the chills, even when everyone else is warm. Don't just brush it off as a random symptom. Get your kidneys checked. 3. Shortness of breath. More than a little winded. Shortness of breath is usually associated with lung or heart issues, but did you know it could also signal kidney problems? When kidneys can't filter toxins properly, extra fluid builds up in the body, and some of it can end up in your lungs. This can make you feel breathless, and in severe cases, lying down can make it feel like you're drowning. If this happens, don't wait, get medical attention immediately. 4. Dry, itchy skin. The hidden sign. If you're struggling with dry and itchy skin, it might not be due to cold weather or a bad lotion. In fact, kidney problems can cause a mineral imbalance in your body, leading to your skin feeling irritated and dry. Add to that the buildup of toxins in your bloodstream, and your skin can react in all sorts of ways. Pay attention to this one. It's often overlooked. 5. Swollen ankles, hands, and feet swelling, especially in your ankles, feet, or hands, can be an obvious sign of kidney trouble. When kidneys aren't working, they can't filter out excess fluids, leading to fluid retention and swollen extremities. But here's the catch. This could also be a sign of other issues like heart or liver disease. So, if you notice swelling, make sure you get your kidneys checked as well. 6. Puffy eyes. The telltale sign. Waking up with puffy eyes? It might not just be lack of sleep or allergies. Damaged kidneys can cause protein to leak into the urine, leading to swelling in places you might not expect, like around your eyes. So if your face is puffier than usual, don't just chalk it up to fatigue. Your kidneys could be giving you a warning sign. 7. Bad breath and a metallic taste. Bad breath that smells like ammonia or a strange metallic taste in your mouth could be an indication that your kidneys are struggling. When kidney function declines, toxins like urea build up in your bloodstream, a condition known as uremia. These toxins can cause foul-smelling breath and make food taste awful. If this happens, it's time to take action and see a doctor. 8. Urination problems. Pay attention. Pay close attention to any changes in your urination habits. Frequent trips to the bathroom, pain or burning during urination, or a noticeable reduction in the amount of urine could all point to kidney issues. If you're waking up several times a night to use the bathroom or experiencing discomfort, it's a sign that your kidneys need help. 9. Foamy or bloody urine. A red flag. Notice that your urine is unusually foamy or bloody. Foamy urine could mean there's a lot of protein in your urine, and blood in your urine could signal kidney infections, kidney stones, or even kidney failure. Don't ignore discolored urine, especially if it's accompanied by pain. Blood in the urine should always be checked out by a doctor immediately. 10. Trouble sleeping. Something's off. Kidney disease can throw off your sleep cycle. The toxins that build up in your bloodstream can disrupt your sleep, causing trouble falling or staying asleep. In some cases, it can even lead to sleep apnea, where your breathing starts and stops while you sleep. If you're finding it hard to sleep or you're waking up feeling exhausted, this could be your kidneys trying to tell you something's wrong. Now that we've covered the signs, let's talk about how to protect your kidneys and prevent future issues. Ways to keep your kidneys healthy. Stay hydrated. Water is your kidney's best friend. Aim for 4 to 6 glasses of water a day. Overhydrating doesn't help, but staying properly hydrated keeps things running smoothly. Be mindful of medications. Some over-the-counter medications, like ibuprofen, can harm your kidneys if used too often. Always use medication sparingly and consult with your doctor if you're concerned. Stay active. Exercise isn't just good for your body, it's great for your kidneys too. Regular physical activity helps maintain healthy blood pressure and supports kidney function. Eat a kidney-friendly diet. A balanced, healthy diet can lower your risk of developing high blood pressure and diabetes, two major contributors to kidney disease. Make your meals delicious and nutritious. Use antibiotics cautiously. Antibiotics are powerful, but they can stress your kidneys. Only use them when necessary, and consult your doctor before taking any new medication. Keep your blood sugar in check. If you have diabetes, monitor your blood sugar levels carefully. High blood sugar can damage the delicate structures in your kidneys over time. Avoid excess supplements. Vitamins, protein powders, and herbal supplements may sound harmless, but they can put strain on your kidneys. Take supplements only when necessary. Quit smoking and limit alcohol. Both smoking and excessive drinking raise your blood pressure and can damage kidney function. Cutting back on both is one of the best things you can do for your overall health. Regular kidney checkups. If you're at higher risk, over 60, family history, high blood pressure, etc., get your kidney function checked regularly. It's far better to catch problems early than to wait until they've escalated. Taking care of your kidneys is essential for your overall health. Remember to watch out for the 10 warning signs and follow these 9 prevention tips to keep your kidneys healthy for the long haul.